So he just got the haircut yesterday. You can barely even see the suture line. It looks absolutely perfect, undetectable the entire way around. Can't even see. I mean, if you don't know what you're looking for, I mean, I know what I'm looking for and I can barely see it. This is it. This little thing right here is the suture line. I mean, he could shave his head and you wouldn't be able to see that. And he happened to be at his hairdresser's
yesterday, and she asked me, I noticed that your hair in the front is a little thicker. Do you had a hair transplant? I said, yes. I said, well, it was robotic. I said, no. I said, how come? Because I can't find the line. She could not find the line. And there's a stylist that cuts hair all day long, every day. That's how good this doctor is, guys. Come.
That's awesome.
You won't regret it, I promise you.
That's awesome.
And this is voluntarily. I'm not getting paid for this, okay?
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.
I really appreciate you doing
problem.
the video.
Absolutely.
More to come, man. More to come.
Absolutely. That's it. All right, Josh.
Thank you.